Hello everyone. Hope you all are fine and doing your studies well. Today again I am discussing one practical problem of trial balance which is related to the suspense account. Yes, bete, sometimes in spite of best efforts of an accountant, all the errors are not located and the trial balance sometimes does not tally. Yes, Vijay, as I told you in my previous lecture that both column debit and credit total should match in the trial balance, but sometimes due to error made in recording of the transaction or posting in the transaction, or you can say that it may be the total error or a balancing error, the trial balance does not match. So in this situation, to avoid the delay in the further proceeding of the accounting procedure, what a accountant do, that accountant opens a new account that is known as suspense account at the end of the trial balance, and the deficit amount column, the difference is written in front of the suspense account, and later the accountant tries to find the error, and when the error are located, it one journal entry is passed to rectify this error with the help of the suspense account. Now there is one practical problem in front of you. You can pause the video, note down this practical problem. In this practical problem, you will see at the end how we are opening the suspense account. Yes, bete, in this one, first is capital. Capital being the liability, credit column में लिखिए amount. Plant is an asset, write in debit amount column. Cash in hand, debit because it is an asset. Commission received is an income, so it will be written in credit column. Purchase return, reverse entry of purchase, it will be written in credit column. Interest received being an income, it should be written in credit column. Then repairing charges being an expense, it should be written in debit column. Journal expenses written in debit column. Wages, furniture, sales return, लोन एडवांस, ऑफिस सैलरी, ये सारे आइटम डेबिट में आएंगे बिकॉज दीज आर द एक्सपेंसेस और एसेट्स. बिल्डिंग भी एसेट है तो ये भी कहाँ आएगी, डेबिट कॉलम में आएगा. बैंक stock on 1st April, this is opening stock, so write in debit column. Then come to the next rates, tax and insurance, डेबिट कॉलम. डिस्काउंट का क्रेडिट मेंशन है तो क्रेडिट कॉलम में ही लिखिए अमाउंट. सन्ड्री क्रेडिटर बीइंग लाइबिलिटी इन क्रेडिट कॉलम. सेल्स इनकम है क्रेडिट कॉलम. बुक डेट्स डेटर्स हैं, ये डेबिट कॉलम में आएगा. रेंट एक्सपेंस है डेबिट में. परचेज डेबिट में. कैरीज एंड फ्रेट वी विल राइट इन डेबिट कॉलम. डिलीवरी वैन, drawing and traveling expenses, it will be written in the debit column. Now we have to do the total of both the column. You will find here that there is a deficit in the debit side. आप टोटल करके देखिए, आपको यहाँ पता चल जाएगा कि यहाँ पे आपका टोटल में डिफरेंस आ रहा है. सो टू मेक द टोटल सेम फॉर द सम टाइम, अकाउंटेंट ने वही देखिए, आप लास्ट में लिखा है सस्पेंस अकाउंट और डेबिट में आपका 1,90,000 का डिफरेंस आ रहा है, दैट विल बी रिटन. आई थिंक नाउ यू विल कम टू नो हाउ टू ओपन अ सस्पेंस अकाउंट. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल. ऑलवेज बी हैप्पी.